Tonton Gutierrez is here.
Nakakaya may camera.
Ngayon ba-previous tayo, pare, binabalikan tayo. We're gonna give you something. Sleeping Beauty, yan. Maganda, pero tulog. Rolex Omega. Parang ko yung bumili, no? What's up, guys? Another watch, another day. Dito tayo. Sir Tonton Gutierrez is here with the family. Kamusta?
Nakakaya may camera.
At hindi sanay sa camera.
Camera shy kami.
So, nanonood pala si Sir Tonton Gutierrez. What a pleasure, di ba? Nakaka-proud pare, di ba? He's here today. He brought an Omega. They wanted to check their options daw if they can trade it to another Rolex. Probably 2 Rolexes daw or 1 Rolex. We'll check. Diba? So,
Depende.
So, napanalunan ni Madam to, right?
Yeah.
In a golf tournament.
Last year.
Nag-golf ka, Madam, ha? Si paring G ang nag-golf sa amin. Ako, tennis ako, eh.
Kami golfers kami.
Anyway, another option that they have para kay ma'am is this one. This is the Rolex na Oyster Perpetual Date 34mm. As I said nga, anyone can use this. Male, female, whatnot. So, we'll put this as a choice lang for you guys.
Tanggalin mo na yung hindi kailangan dyan. Yung sobra.
Sobrang mahal. I think ito lang naman. So, for this one kasi I can value this, I'll say 260 for us to be able to sell it at around 300. Sleeping Beauty yan. Maganda, pero tulog.
What about that one? Ano yan? That's yours.
Yeah, this is mine.
That's yours. Are you...
No.
Okay, sige.
Hindi ko siya mapibenta to. I really love this watch.
Akala ko kasi.
Honestly, one of the best watches that I've ever had.
Yeah, Motan.
Yeah, this one is 240.
Ano mangyayari doon sa 20?
Sa 20 na ganun, well, I'll have to give you cash for it.
Parang step ko na.
Mas type mo na lang to.
Mas type mo yan?
Are you open to blackface? Mas gusto niyo ba yung blackface? Although mas pop out tong white eh. Meron tayong ganito, alam ko na black. 34mm.
Service center is you do...
Yes, actually in construction na. Yung service set na yung po.
Ayun na.
Here. Ay, ito mas mahal lang to ng konti.
Astigin ko na.
I go with the white.
Yeah, di ba? I love white diet. Especially if you're gonna go something small, you want it to look big, has to be a white.
Ito siguro.
So, are we good with this one?
Yeah.
Okay, sige. If this one, you okay? I'll add 22 for this one. Done?
Yo.
Sa
Done! Done, viewers! Brother, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. I think it needs a little resizing to your wrist.
ay.
Talikot master ako eh. Rolex Omega. Add ako ng 20,000. Try this now. Yeah. Perfect. And since bumili kayo ng Rolex, we're gonna give you something.
Another Rolex? Nakakaya naman to.
Hindi. So this is a done deal. We don't sell this. Yan ba previous tayo, pare, binabalikan tayo. You can have the service pouch and ito, we call it the coffin. This one has yung papers namin. So we also have the NFC card. That's proof of ownership na card.
Dapat sarado na natin to, baka may
Ayang, alam ko bibili ulit.
Ngayon na-contact ka na namin. Baka
Ayan na.
susunod.
There you go. The watch is there. Everything is there. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you so much. Thank you po.
Pagka
Mail. Sa palagaan din, si Papa yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 19. 20,000. Additional.
Thank you.
Parang ko yung bumili, no? Thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, thank you.
Maraming salamat. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Budol ako dun, ah. Di ako nakatanggi. Ang barilin ako, eh. Bida siya today, hindi siya kontrabida.